welcome to our Costa Rican treehouse. This has got to be, I think, our favorite Airbnb that we've ever stayed at. And I would love to let you come have a look. So it's just pretty much a studio. We have our bed. It's beautiful in here. It's all open on the top. At night you can hear everything, all the animals, the birds. Also comes complete with plumbing and clean water. Our bathroom in the sky. Chad and I, our goal is to start staying in more tiny places all around the world. And we've decided we're going to share all of these experiences with you. So subscribe if you want to know what it's like to stay little everywhere. Locals have no hot or cold water. They just have water. And they don't need hot water because I'm telling you right now, in this weather, you do not want to have a hot shower at all. This is a traditional Costa Rican breakfast. It's called gallo pinto with rice and beans, scrambled eggs. I'm pretty sure this is mayo and plantain, and tortilla. Leaving Samara now, and we're driving to Liberia to meet up with our personal tour guide that we have hired to take us on a volcano hike today. We're going to explore the national park over there, I forget what it's called, and we're going to hike the base of a volcano, and then we're going swimming in a waterfall afterwards. That would be bubbling mud. Do you know what sulfur smells like? Like major rotten eggs. up getting lost, and we went to the wrong national park by accident, and then we went and paid to enter the national park because that's something that you have to do here. We tried to ask the man who worked there how to get to the one to meet our tour guide, and he could not answer that for us, and he had no idea how to tell us where it was. So we ended up doing our own hike and our own adventure, and we hope tomorrow we'll be able to meet up with our tour guide and do some other tour at least.